I'm going to the jail today. Y'all are gonna come with me. I'm here for a legal visit.
I have a June Hardrick up here, attorney, and she's here to see Sharon Lewis.
Do you remember what judge you went before for the 2004 charge?
No, because in that case, it was just me, the judge, and my public defender,
Sharonda Leggett.
Sharonda Leggett. And me and her had problems.
So you were convicted of cocaine possession back in 2004.
Yeah, I admitted to it, yes, I did.
So you're still on probation or no?
I was meeting and then I quit because my husband had a heart attack.
Did you pay all your fines? Because you look like...
I paid a little bit of fines, but you have to understand, my husband was having a heart attack. His medicine was expensive. I couldn't pay that every month. I couldn't even get a job at McDonald's because I was a convicted felon. After my landlord found out I was incarcerated, he filed eviction notices against me. I'm a certified mechanic. Since I've been in here, I've lost my house. They've broken in and stole all my tools. So I'm gonna have to start from scratch.
Since you were a first-time offender, you should have been eligible for a non-adjudication. I'm not sure what happened, and I apologize that took place, but it's not the end of the world. It's not the end of the world. We can definitely fix it.
It's the end of my world, because that messed up a lot of stuff for me. I've been screwed around the first time by a public defender, and when they told me I had another one, I figured my life is completely over.